How to deposit into Pocket option with debit card. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Pocket option application, or you can also do this on your browser. Then click on your profile on the top left of your screen and then click on finance. Now once you are in the finance, click on deposit on the top left of your screen, and once you click there you will have so many options depending on the region as well. Now you can simply select any one of these that you want to go with. So simply click on, let's say, master or visa card. Then you just need to make sure to enter the amount, but as you can see, use only personal cards and funds for depositing. But before that, make sure to verify your profile which is on the top of your screen, otherwise this is not going to work. Now once you have selected your amount, you're just gonna need to follow the on-screen instructions to enter your debit or visa card details and make sure to confirm the transaction. And this is going to arrive within 5 minutes. As you can see, it is showing in the processing time. Hope this helped. This is how you can deposit into Pocket option with debit card.